Okay, here's your first look at the exterior. It is a pretty big trailer. It's 39 feet 10 inches. It has a dry weight of about 8,500 pounds, and it is a triple slide. But that slide right there is your bedroom slide, so you know you're going to have a lot of space in the master bedroom. May not be for everybody, but for those who are looking for a well-made, fully loaded, spacious, modern feel travel trailer for two people, this is one you've got to check out. All right, so I'll do a quick run of the back side here. Again, this is your bed slide, so you do have some bed storage, under bed storage. There is a lot of storage in this trailer, guys. Here is your water hookups, outside shower. I really like this pegboard here. You can hang some tools there. I could see that being a feature that you might really enjoy. I know I would. Slam latch locks on these doors, by the way. I like that versus those metal twisting knobs. Fiberglass front cab with LED lighting. Man, I wish it wasn't such a bad day outside. Two 20-pound LP tanks. It comes standard from the factory with a battery on it, which is great because I can show you all the lighting and everything on here on the lot. Power stabilizers. We got this large outside storage here. Motion sensing lighting. Two awnings. That's a 14-foot awning there and an 11-foot awning. Step above steps. A lot of my customers really like those solid steps. Guys, look how big that TV is. A 50-inch HD television, smart TV. And guess what, guys? It is a 12-volt TV. Means it will run off of your 12-volt battery. You do not need to have shore power in order to run that TV. Same thing with the TV on the inside. On-demand hot water heater. Rear of your coach, spare tire. It's prepped for a backup camera, and also you can get the lippered ladder there to go up and maintain your roof. All right, I'm going to head on inside and show you this interior. Guys, check out how beautiful this interior is. Very spacious, very modern feeling. Huge living space. Okay, so you got a trifold sofa here that will pull out for bed if you do have that occasional friends or family members that want to stay with you. Overhead storage there. Thomas Paine recliners. The largest windows in the industry, I believe. And I really, really like these shades. Freestanding table with 4 foldable chairs. A desk in the back here with a flip-up desk with some additional storage underneath. Window to be able to look out the back in case you get one of those beautiful parking spots. 12-volt refrigerator. Large pantry storage. Definitely enough space in here to stick all of your food, snacks, packs of water, whatever beverages you drink. Your microwave is a convection microwave with an air fryer as well. 3-burner stovetop oven and a pull-out drawer for your pots and pans. Here you've got your center island. Some additional storage. I really, really like the hardware, guys. The brass and black look. Farm style sink. Large sink. And then one of the coolest features, I've never seen this in an RV, in any ones I sell, at least on my lot. Check this out. A beverage cooler. Man, that is so cool. That's such a great idea. I can't believe this is the first one I've seen with this in it. Another 50-inch smart TV that is 12 volt as well. Your fireplace. When I first started this video, we actually were PDIing it, so I did have the generator hooked up. That was running But when we unhooked the generator, that went off. So everything else you see on right this second is running off the 12-volt battery, including the lighting on your Thomas Payne furniture. That's different. Now you have a pass-through bathroom. Look at how much countertop space you have. Porcelain toilet. Shower with shower surround and the retractable door. That way when you close it, it will squeegee the water off and prevent mold and mildew. Large linen closet. Motion sensing lighting, apparently. You got a trash can and hookups for a washer and dryer. You can stack a full-size stackable washer and dryer in here if you choose so. That is an additional option. It is equipped with the second AC in the bedroom. Again, look at all of this countertop space and storage. Motion sensing lighting apparently in the front storage as well. Or front wardrobe, I should say. It is a queen size bed. You have additional storage underneath. I really like these wicker cubbies. And the floor, the storage underneath of there where you can maybe, store your shoes. The styling I really like in this. I really like all the coloring. It may not be everybody's cup of tea, but it certainly is mine. What's your thoughts? Do you like the color combination in this? Could you see yourself vacationing in this 2024 Forest River Vibe 34XL? Guys, this has an MSRP of $71,762, including your freight and destination. Here at Whitehorse RV, when we quote you a price, we do include everything: your freight, your PDI, no hidden fees whatsoever. So I will not be posting a sale price on this particular on this video here, but you will have links to this particular model down in the description. If you'd like to get in contact with me, again, my name is Cliff Townsend. I work at Whitehorse RV in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey. We do have two locations, or we have a lot in Williamstown, New Jersey. And between the two different dealerships, we got about 9 different brands. You can reach me at 609-404-1717. Just ask for Cliff. And thanks a lot for watching. Until the next video, have a great day. Happy camping.